How to fix won't send SMS messages on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, you will check your internet connection is work properly. Open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will check your internet connection is work properly. Turn on or turn off internet, you will see internet is work properly. Go back to home screen and restart device. Click power button and volume up button at the time. Restart device. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, click on reset settings and enter your phone pin. Click on next. After click on next, click on OK. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix won't send SMS messages on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.